Do you want to cut a straight line, but you don't own a table saw? All you got's a skill saw, or a circular saw, something similar to this. And you need to cut a straight line on a 4x8 sheet of plywood or something. And you don't have a table saw. Well, this is what you need. See this little guide here? Fits onto your circular saw. That's what you need. Cuts a straight line. I wish I had one of them 30 years ago. But let's take a look and see what this thing will do. I'll show you what it'll do.
I wish I had this years ago.
Yeah, me too. I cut with one of them saws for years and years and never had nothing to keep me straight. I never did cut a straight line. All right. Yep, it works. Works good. No complaints other than the thing just sticks way out here and you got to find a place for it. But other than that, it's I wish, like I say, I wish I'd bought one of them things 30 years ago, or if they even had one 30 years ago, which I probably don't, or didn't. But all I've ever had was a circular saw of some sort. Never owned a table saw. So anyway, I just wanted you to know that if you don't have a table saw and you want a straight line on a big old piece of plywood or something, that's what you need. Right there. All right. I guess that's it for now.